Hey everybody!
Hi!
Welcome back! And today we are drawing Lumpy Space Princess from Adventure Time.
How can we help?
I want surgery to make my body hot.
Yikes.
Yeah, I know I'm already pretty smoking, but I bought this swimsuit, so I need a swimsuit body.
So, in the middle, on top, we're drawing a little star. So we're going to draw a triangular shape, lines going up, pointing up.
Okay.
And now, from either side of that, we're going to draw lines going outwards. So we're basically going to draw a star. So from those points, we're coming back in from either side. You see yours? Correct. And we're stepping out again. And down and out again. And now we go up to the middle. And we connect that line. Star's a bit thin on the leg there, but yours looks nice. That's cool, that's cool. Okay, so Lumpy Space Princess she's usually grumpy. So, and she's always complaining. So, we're going to draw a grumpy, lumpy Space Princess.
Okay.
Do you want to be grumpy as well?
Yeah.
You? Okay, so for my one, I'm going to draw the lids of her eyes, just two lines like that.
Okay.
Do you want yours to be lumpy or grumpy?
Lumpy.
She's always going to be lumpy. She's the lumpy Space Princess. Okay, so mine is grumpy. So below these lines, what are you going to do? Are you drawing the... Are you doing something different? Okay, so Izzy's got different eyes on his lumpy Space Princess. And now, below my eyelids, I'm going to draw moody little eyes. And I'm going to color them in black.
Okay.
Okay. And she's going to have a grumpy cheek. And the rest of the mouth going out like that, and she's talking, and I'm gonna add a little tongue shape. Let me see her. You're just giving her a smile just like that? Okay, and now she's going to have her arms. It's gonna be coming out and back in, and I'm gonna repeat that shape out and back in, and I'm going to do a little fist. We've got that, and I'm going to repeat it on this side. And the second line doing the same thing. So that's the two arms, and I'm adding a little fist here as well. Your one already looks happy. She looks happy. So she's the happy Lumpy Space Princess, and my one's the grumpy Lumpy Space Princess. Okay, so that's it. That's her face and that's her arms. But now she's lumpy. So we're going to draw one lump above her head, like that encases the star. Another lump coming out here. Another lump this side. Ooh, this drawing is very quick. You've got lumps. And now a bigger lump going out. Remember, if it's going past, you can go past your arm. Yeah. And another lump this side. And now she has multiple lumps at the bottom. So we can draw like 5 lumps going at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we have it. That's Lumpy Space Princess.
Yep.
That's Happy Lumpy Space Princess. And this is Grumpy Lumpy Space Princess. Okay, so let's get to coloring. So
Yep.
that's yellow and purple, or gold and purple.
Adventure time! Come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands. We'll take the dog and then the human. The fun will never end. It's adventure time.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Lumpy Space Princess. That's the Happy Lumpy Space Princess. This is the Grumpy Lumpy Space Princess. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.